Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to watch multiple screen on using YouTube TV subscription. Currently, multi-view on YouTube TV is a predefined live stream, so you cannot personalize or customize it to the abstract channel you want. Multi-view is available on YouTube TV for smart TV. Streaming video plays iPhone and iPod devices. I hope that YouTube will give you the option the customization these streams in the future. For now, I shall show you how to find these multi streams in YouTube TV. On my YouTube channel, go to YouTube TV and open the app from the home tab of YouTube TV. If you scroll down, you should eventually find the area with a multi-view option. After this feature is available for news channels or simultaneous sports channels. As I mentioned, you cannot customize this feature to select specific stream you want to watch. Hopefully, YouTube will add this functionality in the future. I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you stopping by. Consider a subscription to YouTube channel. I shall see you back here next time. Thanks for watching.